So we're a precision machine shop. We manufacture anything from critical aerospace components to medical instruments, some surgical components, and then we do quite a bit of recreational and industrial work as well. So the sky's the limit. Machining is probably the number one aspect that we do here. That's the number one aspect that we focus on. But anything critical, anything high tolerance machine-wise, that's done right here at Pointe Precision. We're part of being something bigger than yourself. The fact that you're making parts and components that are fueling the United States economy, you're fueling surgical components, you're making components that are critical to surgeries, applications, all kinds of different stuff. Even aerospace components, keeping that jet engine running is a critical part, and maintaining the tolerances and making sure that those parts are to the standard that the customer expects. The way it balances out and works together is by having a support team around you so that when you have questions, you can easily have your questions answered. We manage that culture by fostering a culture of learning, fostering a culture of being able to express your opinion, ask questions. We don't think there's anything as a dumb question here, and it's sometimes daunting to go over and ask a question to a more senior employee, but at this environment, the reason it's so much fun is because you have the ability to go talk to anyone, you have the ability to ask questions, and people understand that you're just trying to learn and trying to flourish that environment. Yes, we have fancy technology and fancy robots, but it's all about investing for our future and our people.